Let's bring your screen and your presence together so your message feels clear and personal. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Video. Before starting, check your webcam preview. If you're ready, you can now start recording. A heads-up message will appear. Click the Confirm What to Share button. From here, you'll choose what screen you'll share. Entire screen, window, or Microsoft Edge tab. You can audio share if you want to, and click the screen of where you want to share, then click Share button. A countdown begins and Loom will now capture your screen along with your webcam video at the same time. When you're finished, click Stop and your video will be saved automatically. With both visuals and voice aligned, your story becomes more engaging and easier to follow. And that's how to record screen and webcam with Loom. Thank you for watching.